What features should be mentioned? About Bobtot 5.1 Home Theater, Surround Sound System, Bluetooth, Audio Systems for TV. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 800 watts peak power. Home theater system speakers can reach up to 800 watts of power, 6.5-inch subwoofer with a built-in receiver, high volume but with professional sound quality and excellent bass sound. Deliver the cleanest, most natural sound possible. Bring you and your family with full cinema experience at home. 5.1 channel surround stereo sound. Bobtot surround sound system has two modes of 5.1/2.1 channel, switch via remote control or front panel. We advise you to put all the speakers in one room to get better surround sound stereo with more advanced enjoyment. Bluetooth support and multimedia support. 5.0 Bluetooth technology allow you to directly connect the stereo systems with various smart Bluetooth devices, and support multiple input modes like TV, ARCOPT, COA, AUX, USB, DVD. Additional cables include HDMI, ARC cable, optical cable, coaxial cable, RCA cable, antenna cable, AUX cable that can support any application in need. All function remote. This system not only has button control via the front panel, but also come with remote control for more detailed operation. Such as you can independently control the volume of each speaker and the subwoofer via remote. Family Party Speakers System. Bobtot surround sound speakers use top quality MDF wood cabinets with plastic front panels, and have LED lighting effects and digital display functions. It also have a built-in FM receiver with amazing reception. USB/SD input, max file size 64 GB. 2. 1/4-inch mic inputs with echo function for karaoke. Wired connection. 5 small speakers with built-in cables are wired to connect to the audio output slots of the subwoofer. Not wireless. With long cable length, the speakers can be placed anywhere. Center and L/R front speakers, 13 feet, L/R rear speakers, 31 feet. Multiple application. Easily plug and play. Speakers are widely used for numerous scenarios such as Ultra HD 4K TV, game consoles, home DVDs, computers, laptops, and projector. It's very suitable for watching movies, watching football games, partying, and esports games with friends at home. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.